Hi, if you are looking for a virtual assistant or a receptionist who can help you to take call, communicate with multiple channel, take notes and give you a proper reporting so that you can save more of your time and money, then probably I'm the best person who can help you in this job. And here is why. Number 1, I always focus on reason based call. And reason based call always help us to organize and give a quick response in future. Number 2, I always focus on repeat confirmation. And repeat confirmation is probably most needed when we work on calendar, when we work on address based task. So regardless of the task, I always focus on repeat confirmation. This eventually help you to save more of your time. Number 3, I focus on reporting and feedback. And this is, I believe this is the best way to grow. So if you ever work with me, you have to give 10 to 15 minutes of your time every single week to monitor me or supervise me. And eventually this will help us to grow and give a tailored solution to our customer. And if you feel like you don't have at least 5 to 10 minutes every single week to give me, then probably I'm not the person who can help you in this role. Number 4, I have a previous proven experience in Victoria. So I know what is the best time to reach out to. I know how to manage multiple calendar. I know how to manage 4 staff. So, number 5, I have a proper call center setup. I have USB headset, I have noise cancelling software, which is very much relevant in this type of role. Number 6, I have all the legal documents. It can be a medical document, it can be a passport, or it can be a bank document. I have all the relevant documents online, so if you need it, I can share you as well. So, why you are waiting for? Just send me a DM on Upwork and I will let you know what are the services I can provide you, which eventually help you to save your time and make more your money. Please share your idea, please share what are the services you're offering, and after that I will give you a 3 days service trial. And these 3 days you don't have to pay me anything. I will pay for the dialer, I will pay for the software, and eventually in end of the day I will give you a reporting with record. And this, based on this record, you can judge whether you should hire me or not. Okay, so thank you so much for your valuable time. I wish we will discuss more about this role, and thanks for your time and have a good day.